Okay, so git show push success notification, and controls whether to show a notification when a push is successful. By default, this is set to false, so you won't see a notification. So if I come here and push my changes to the remote repository, nothing shows up. If I set this to true and push again, this little notification down here shows up. And by the way, these notifications, they disappear automatically. So I think it's about 15 seconds or something like that. So if we just wait a little bit, you'll see that the notification automatically disappears. Yeah, you know, it's not too useful. I think it doesn't get too much in the way anyway. Not sure about this one. I guess that by default, if things work, you don't want any more entropy, right? So a notification would actually, a notification saying that something went okay is kind of redundant, right? Because that's what you expect. So I guess I'm gonna leave this one as false, which is the default value. And I only want to get notified when things don't work. Yeah, that's a good criteria.